Shin.
Yes. Then Sad.
Dod.
Then Dod.
Dod.
Then Ta.
Dod. Okay.
Then Ra.
Ta, giusto? Right? Ta.
Yeah. And then Dwa.
Dwa.
Then Ain.
Ain.
Then Ain.
Ain.
Then Fa. Then Qaf. Big Qaf. With two dots.
Ba.
And then small Qaf.
Kaf.
Yeah. Then Lam.
Lam. Mim.
Yeah.
Nun.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Ha.
Yes. Then Hamza.
Hamza.
Then Ya.
Ya.
Okay. Same. Your vote.
Un moment. Ya. Mi sono... Oddio.
None.
Ok.
Alif Ba Ta Sa Jim Ha Fa Dal Dal Lam Shin Shin Fa Good, good work, mashallah. Okay. And
I have a dirty writer.
very good, very good. Okay, start lesson number 2. Before lesson number 2, I explain murakkabat and mufradat with example. Your name is
Daniele Mohammed.
Darya. Okay. And Arabic language, your name, first letter is Dal, second letter Alif,
Ali.
and
If
third letter Noon, and fourth letter Ya, and fifth letter is Lam. Okay. This 5 letter, your name, this is your name in mufradat letters, and now your name in murakkabat letters.
Mohammed.
1 minute. This third Ya, Daniyal. Okay.
Daniel. Okay.
This in this murakkabat letter, and in this mufradat letters. Okay, one by one,
Okay.
and combining and joining letters.
Okay.
Understand?
Understand? Yes.
Yeah, good. Okay, start here. Line number 2, left to right, read.
Okay. Kaf, Kaf,
Yeah, and
Alif,
alif.
Fa, Alif,
Yeah,
Sin, Alif,
yes,
Shin, Alif, Fa, Alif, Ya, Alif. Now,
yeah, this.
okay. Sad, Alif, Kha, Alif,
Kha, kha is here. This kha.
okay. Rain, Rain,
Yeah, yeah.
Rain.
Then
Alif, Ain, Ain, Alif, Kha, Alif, Kha, Alif, Jim, Alif,
okay. Yeah.
Ta, Ba, Kaf, Fa, Kaf, Fa, Kaf, Ta, Kaf, Ba, Lam, Ba.
Okay. This lesson number 2, from here alif to and next page from alif to ba sin mim. Okay, this complete lesson your homework. Write these letters on your book. Okay.
Okay.
Start from here. Lesson number 2. You have the madani qaida. This qaida you have. I send you this qaida, madani qaida on Zoom chat. Okay, download.
Okay. I don't look right.
Yeah, download from Zoom chat. I send you after class.
Hmm.
And this line start here.
Kaf, Sin, Ta, Sad, Ghain, Ta, Shin, Mim, Sin. Allora. Kha, Shin, Ya, Ghain, Ya, Dal,
This.
Ra,
Yes.
Ghain, Ba, Ra.
Okay, good. Can you write these letters tomorrow on your book without looking?
Okay.
Okay, practice all letters on your book, and send me
No.
your homework after class, my WhatsApp number.
Teacher, listen. Tomorrow afternoon I will work. Is possible do the lesson at 9 and 30 in the morning?
Okay, send me your possible time.
Only Thursday. Only Thursday.
Okay, okay, and I adjust your class in possible time.
Okay.
Okay, Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.
Salam alaikum, Prof.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Stay happy and safe. Okay.